Welcome everyone. Today we're going to look at Unit 6, the ISTE standards and Horizon reports. Our first ISTE standard, Innovative Designer Standard for Students. Students use a variety of technologies within a design process to identify and solve problems by creating new, useful, or imaginative solutions. The Horizon report that we used was the 2016 K-12 edition. In the article Makerspace, creating workshop environment so students can create, it talked about that. Virtual reality increases retention and interest in STEM fields. And then artificial intelligence increases creative inquiry and informal learning.
In Makerspace, you have the opportunity for hands-on learning and creation. It engages the learner and produces valuable skills such as problem solving and critical thinking. The online learning article, students can work from any location and retake courses due to lost credits or complete advanced coursework. In robotics, it promotes critical and computational thinking, promotes hands-on learning in STEM subjects. And in the wearable technology article, it helps promote interest in STEM learning. Wearable format allows for convenient integration into daily life and creates opportunities for students to engage in design thinking and technology use.
On the Horizon Report 2016, it says Space Makers creating station Makerspace, creating stations which allow students to be creative, making and thinking activities. The positive aspects are collaborating based, project-based, and student direct learning. On robotics, which is also merges into the Makerspace, programs created to promote critical and computational thinking in which students problem solve among each other. As well, we have virtual reality. Students are to immerse into realistic sensory experiences in new situations and activities which they would never experience. And lastly is wearable technology. Students use wearable devices to foster creative and hands-on learning and achieve goals.
And the next is T standard, Visionary Leadership, standard for coaches, standards for administrators. Educational administrators inspire and lead development and implementation of a shared vision for comprehensive integration of technology to promote excellence and support transformation through the organization. In the article Makerspace, it talked about school leaders including making into the curriculum to enhance creativity, collaboration, and critical thinking. In the article Online Learning, using this in conjunction with virtual reality improves student understanding of various concepts, helps students graduate, can do credit recovery. And in the article Robotics, in conjunction with special education, offers approachable interactive learning for these students.
In the Makerspace article, you can prepare students for demands of global technological economy, promote interest in STEM fields, and mobile makerspaces for schools with limited resources. In the robotics article, you prepare students for different pathways due to concerns about automation disrupting jobs. Artificial intelligence helps students understand ethical questions that may arise from AI use, and helps students understand the complexity of contextual assessment, which is the nuances that computers will not understand.
Wearable technology administration needs to allow educators to find new ways to apply it. Therefore, there has to be professional development opportunities. In addition, it can allow teachers to teach students their role in the global community. With robotics, in order for a robotic program to be successful, teachers and staff need to be properly trained on how to operate any hardware and software, as well as integrating into the curriculum.
In our last ISTE standard, Systematic Improvement, standards for administrators. Educational administrators provide digital age leadership and management to continuously improve the organization through the effective use of information and technology. In the article Artificial Intelligence, embedded in programs to personalize learning for students. And then in wearable technology, Australia's new national technologies curriculum, which directs students to create learning opportunities where students engage in design thinking and use technology to develop solutions to current and future needs.
In the article Online Learning, it's used for blended learning approaches. There are emerging best practices due to the online learning. In virtual reality, opportunities to focus on a student-centered approach. The curriculum can be augmented with virtual field trips. And last, wearable technology, it introduced into multiple disciplines to personalize the curriculum and provides a gateway to increase girls' interest in STEM disciplines.
Online learning allows to integrate individualized learning preferences, interests, and curriculum and help with mobile issues with students' absence. Artificial intelligence allows to deliver a more customized material to the students, benefits it to be able to interact with artificial intelligence in real time. Virtual reality, by incorporating VR, teachers can embrace in the tool, which allows students to embark in the accessible journey. And it also provides a face-to-face experience. That concludes our Unit 6.